In this video, I'm going to introduce to you a company which will allow you to trade crypto to physical diamonds. So literally, we just found another gem, because diamonds are gems. But why is this important and how can you benefit from this? Well, to find out, keep watching this video.
Is your money working for you, or are you working for money?
Welcome back to the crypto lifestyle, the lifestyle where your money works for you instead of you working for that money. But hey, if this is the first time we're meeting, my name is Francis, and here at the Crypto Lifestyle, we do live stream interviews with CEOs of promising projects, and we also cover up-and-coming projects in the crypto space that deserves more attention, just like this one. So if that sounds interesting to you, do consider subscribing. So GXTglobal.com is a company that has been operating for just over 1 year. This is a unique company because they are allowing the masses to trade diamonds. Now, why is this unique, you may be asking yourself? It's unique because normally people cannot trade diamonds even if they had the money to do so. This is due to the fact that they cannot conduct quality inspections themselves, but GXT can. They could do this because they are in partnership with various diamond manufacturers. As you can see here, GXT is listed on a CoinMarketCap.com exchange, and trading will take place in just about 19 days from today. The beautiful thing about this investment is you literally can get the physical diamonds mailed to your home. But the real benefit is this. Are you ready for it? GXT, the native token, has a very safe business architecture, and here's why. Let's say the markets are tanking and one GXT is worth, I don't know, $100 today, but tomorrow it's worth about 75 bucks. The decrease in the dollar price will not affect you because GXT is valued by the unit in correlation to the value of the diamond asset class. So in other words, one GXT will get you the same amount of diamonds even if the price of the token tanks. We always talk about gold being a stable investment and comparing Bitcoin as digital gold, but let's take a look at the historical data of diamonds. And mind you, this is not my opinion. This is simply facts based off of historical data. Nothing more, nothing less. So this chart starts in the year of 1960 up until the year of 2020. Now look at the trend here. In 1964, we had the Vietnam War, but this did not affect the price of diamonds. As a matter of fact, the price increased. Now in 1973, there was a crude oil crisis, and guess what happened? You're correct. The price of diamonds popped and continues to gradually rise in value. Now, right here in 1987, the stock market crash occurred. You know, stock guys manipulating the markets and banking coin. But look what happened, guys. That had a direct increase in price for diamonds, worth $13,900. After that, there was a Gulf War in 1990. The price still goes up, and yet another stock market crash in 1994. The price is still gradually going up, as you can see, to $15,100. But check this out, guys. In 2008, the same year Bitcoin was born, during one of the worst financial crises ever, look what people did. They threw their fiat into diamonds. Now, at this point, the price of diamonds is doubled from the last 1994 stock market crash. That is crazy stuff, guys. We know history repeats itself, and this chart proves to us that diamonds are indeed a very stable and safe investment. Currently in the world, stocks are down, and nations suffering from hyperinflation such as Argentina and Venezuela has people flocking to these types of stable investments. Whether that be gold, diamonds, or what have you, it is a safety net for them. There are pundits who are claiming we are on the brink of yet another financial world crisis, and if that turns out to be true, well, based off of that graph I just displayed for you, history will surely repeat itself. And I know you may be telling yourself, well, TCL, why don't I just lock my crypto into a stable coin when the markets are red? I mean, you can do that, but you can't get USDT mailed to your house physically, right? Nor is one Bitcoin worth the same amount of USDT every day, right? Nor does a stable coin rises in value like diamonds do, right? Understood? Capiche? Alright, now we're good. Well, I hope you guys got a better understanding on how GXT Global operates and also how you as a fellow crypto lifestyler can benefit from it. I will be paying close attention to this token and company within the next 20 days, so do keep a lookout for my update videos. You guys know we can't fit all the information into one video, so I will leave the link to the website for you to explore and research on your own time in the comment section and the description box below. So you know what? There really isn't much left to say other than until the next video, you're on your own. Later.
Baby, it's the crypto lifestyle. I'm about to son you fake boys like you're my child. You ain't lit, bro, you can't be with hits, bro. You don't deserve your subs like Brady said crypto. You still working for money, it ain't for you. Check the crypto lifestyle, I'll teach you what you should do.